Hey there, future millionaires! The world of cryptocurrency is super exciting and it's changing how we think about money. One of the coolest things happening right now is DeFi, which stands for Decentralized Finance. It's all about giving you control over your money without needing banks or middlemen. And guess what? DeFi is booming. More and more people are jumping in to explore these awesome opportunities. One of the most popular ways to get involved in DeFi is through something called liquidity mining. It might sound complicated, but don't worry, it's actually pretty straightforward once you understand the basics. So, what exactly is liquidity mining? Imagine a giant swimming pool filled with cryptocurrency. This pool is called a liquidity pool. Liquidity miners are like the lifeguards of this pool. They contribute their own cryptocurrency to make sure there's enough for everyone to trade and use. Think of it like lending money to the pool and earning interest on your deposit. In exchange for providing this liquidity, miners earn rewards in the form of fees or other tokens. It's a win-win situation. Okay, let's dive a little deeper into how liquidity mining actually works. When you provide liquidity to a pool, you're essentially lending out two different cryptocurrencies at the same time. For example, you might provide an equal value of Ethereum and a stablecoin like Tether, also known as USDT. These cryptocurrencies are then locked up in a smart contract, which is like a digital agreement that automatically executes the terms. Now, whenever someone wants to trade one of those cryptocurrencies on the platform, they pay a small fee. And guess what? A portion of those fees goes to you, the liquidity provider. Liquidity mining has some awesome benefits. First, it's a great way to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings. Instead of just letting your crypto sit idle in a wallet, you can put it to work and earn rewards. Second, liquidity mining helps to support the growth of decentralized finance. By providing liquidity, you're making it easier for people to trade and use DeFi platforms. Some popular platforms for liquidity mining include Uniswap and SushiSwap. These platforms are like decentralized exchanges where you can trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users. So there you have it. Liquidity mining is an exciting opportunity to earn passive income and be a part of the DeFi revolution. As always, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before you jump in. Good luck and happy mining.
Ready to take your crypto journey to the next level? We're thrilled to offer you an exclusive opportunity to dive deep into the world of liquidity mining with this free comprehensive course. Click the link in the description below to access your free course now. What you'll learn: fundamentals of liquidity mining, step-by-step guides to setting up your liquidity pools, advanced tries for maximizing your returns, expert tips, and real-world case studies. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to boost your crypto knowledge and start earning today. Join now and take the first step towards financial freedom.